Today, we will understand about find function in Microsoft Excel and how we can use this. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let us start. Find function locates one text string within the second text string and returns the number of the starting position of the first text string from the first character of the second text string. Confused? Of course, yes. That is the reason you're still watching this video. Don't worry, I'm here to make your life easy and not difficult. Let us understand this with an example. In my Excel sheet, here I have couple of cases and our objective here is to check whether the text in column B is present in text of column A and if yes, then at what position. To do this, we will use find function in cell C1. Find functions needs two mandatory arguments and one optional. First one is the text which we need to find. So in this case, it is B1. And second is the text in which we want to find. So in this case, it is A1. The third optional argument is number, which specifies the character at which to start the search. If we need to start from the first character, then it has to be 1. And if from 10th, then it has to be 10. And likewise. But if you omit this third argument, then functional by default considers it to be 1. So in our example, since we need to start from the first character, we have the liberty of omitting the third argument. So as you can see that we got the error in cell C1 since the text doctor of cell B1 is not available in text of cell A1. We will copy the same formula from cell C1 and paste it into the cell C2. And you can see we got the number 11. Now what does this mean? This means that the doctor word of cell B2 is present in text of cell A2 and it is present at position starting from 11th character. That's all about find function. I hope you found this video useful and informative. See you soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Doesn't matter whether you like, share, subscribe or not, but what matters is that you keep learning.